In modern turbocharged engines, a turbo boost leak can cause an engine fault code to be generated, as well as affecting engine performance. This new 13-piece turbo system tester set from Laser Tools is designed to charge the turbo system with a low pressure of regulated workshop air to indicate the presence of leaks within the system. 6 different sizes of adapter are included, one to block off and one with the air regulator connector. With this kit we can pressure test turbo pipes, intercoolers, boost valve connections and associated turbo pipework connectors when looking for leaks. It's easy to use. Disconnect the turbo pipework on the turbo outlet side. Then choose a suitably sized block-off adapter and fit it to the pipe you've just removed. Make sure the adapter is sealed correctly. Now disconnect the pipe where it enters the engine inlet. This is where you will fit the air regulator adapter. Choose the adapter that will fit the pipe and tighten securely. We now have a sealed system that includes the turbo pipework and the intercooler. On the pressure regulator, the accurate gauge measures both PSI and bar. The workshop airline is connected and the regulator is there to prevent any overpressurization. Connect to the adapter and steadily bring the pressure up to about 15 psi. That's all that's needed. Lock off the regulator and watch for any pressure drop that could indicate a leak. If a leak is indicated, check where flexible hoses join to hard pipes and listen out for leaks in any other components in the sealed system. This kit is a very useful tool when diagnosing faults and leaks in the turbo system. Available now from your Laser Tools supplier.